Let's look at OnePlus Pad Go unboxing and review. OnePlus Pad Go features tablet review. They're cutting corners in the right places to give you the best possible product. For example, the OnePlus Pad Go does not have haptics, so there's no vibration feedback when you're typing or using the software. There is no biometrics here, so there's no fingerprint scanner. And the OnePlus Pad Go actually looks and feels premium, which is surprising for its price. It's made out of metal and has this dual tone finish on the back, so it's matte on the bottom and glossy on top. You have a plastic strip which has got this mirror-like finish, and it does catch a lot of fingerprints and smudges. For a price of 20,000 rupees, the OnePlus Pad Go, in my opinion, is a really good tablet for students, for people who like to watch videos and listen to music. Basically, you're gonna get a device that has really good battery life, a really nice big display and decent performance. So if you have a kid in the house that wants to play some games, or if you're a student or someone who likes to consume a lot of content online, the OnePlus Pad Go, in my opinion, is a really good option. In total, you have 4 speakers on this tablet, and the sound from those quad speakers is really good. It's loud, it's got some bass to it, and it's really clear even at higher volumes. And the speakers do support Dolby Atmos. So if you're someone who loves music, likes to watch videos or play games with their tablet, you're gonna have a really immersive experience with these speakers. And here is a small speaker test for you guys. It's got an 8000 mAh battery, which is going to last you 2 days without any issues, without any problems. Even if you're a power user, if you play games, use the camera a lot, and watch a lot of videos on YouTube, you should still be able to get 1.5 days or even 2 days of battery life sometimes. And if you do run out of battery, there is a 33-watt fast charger included in the box, and that will take the tablet from 0 to 100 in about 2 hours. So OnePlus just made the Android tablet market a whole lot more interesting. They launched their new OnePlus Pad Go at 20,000 rupees, and this is a more affordable version of their premium OnePlus Pad that starts at 37,000 rupees. And the Pad Go definitely packs a punch for its price. And I spent quite some time with this new device, and in this video, I want to share my experience with you guys. So far, the OnePlus Pad Go seems like a really good tablet for bucks. You're getting a really nice display, good performance and great battery life. So how are they able to do it? And the answer is smart decision making. They're cutting corners in the right places to give you the best possible product. And in terms of accessories, you get a 33-watt fast charger inside the box, and a USB Type-A to Type-C cable in the signature OnePlus red color. Yes, I know 33 watts isn't that fast, but for a tablet that costs 20,000 rupees, I think this is pretty good. And most tablets in this price won't give you this kind of fast charging. It's got a 8000 mAh battery, which is really good, so it's going to last you really long. And doing a quick little overview, on the top right, you've got your power button. On the right side, you have your volume rockers. On the bottom, you have a USB Type-C port and 2 speakers, and on the left side, you've got your hybrid SIM slot, which can accept SIM cards as well as micro SD cards. And on top, you've got 2 more speakers. The OnePlus Pad Go is available in both Wi-Fi and LTE variant, and you can choose between either 128 or 256 gigabytes of storage. And the pricing for these different variants is as follows. The base variant with Wi-Fi, 8 gigabytes of RAM and 128 gigabytes of storage will set you back Rs. 19,999. You can upgrade to the LTE version of the same. Thanks for tuning in. Remember to hit the subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and drop a comment below.